look like James Johnson autograph. Maybe that's why your bitch dropped in half. Go against the squad and get chopped in half. Now, who high, who not? Tell me who's not, who's got out the door, who rap, who